This is problem number 7 from section 9.5. In this problem they say find, if possible, a times b and b times a. Now they kind of make this easy on you because they say if possible. Well, both of these are 3 by 3 matrices, right? They're the same size. So if we look at the middle two dimensions, the 3 and the 3, obviously we can multiply these together. If we look at the outside dimensions to give us our new matrice, we're going to get a 3 by 3. And that doesn't matter whether we multiply a times b or b times a. So actually both of these are possible. So all we've got to do is go through and actually do the multiplication. So out here I'm going to say that this is a times b. Actually I'll do a times b right here. And let's draw the 3 by 3. All right. And we're going to do all this multiplying in the calculator, because I think this is the easiest way to go about doing it, especially if you have a TI-84. So we're going to start with the first row times the first column. And we're going to take negative 3 times negative 5. Plus negative 5 times 0. Plus negative 2 times 3. And we're going to hit enter there. And that gives us 9 for this 1 spot in our new matrice. Then we're going to row 1 times column 2. So negative 3 times 0 plus negative 5 times negative 5 plus negative 2 times 3. $19 for the middle, top middle. And then finally we're going to go negative 3 times negative 5. We're going the first row times the third column. So negative 3 times negative 5 plus negative 5 times 3 plus negative 2 times negative 1. Enter, and we get 2. Now we go to the middle row times the first column. So we've got 5 times negative 5 plus 4 times 0 plus 4 times 3. Negative 13. Now we're going middle or second row to second column. So we start by doing 5 times 0 plus 4 times negative 5 plus 4 times 3. Negative 8. Now we're going second row, third column. So we've got 5 times negative 5 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times negative 1 negative 17. And now we have the third row that we need to take times each column. We'll start with the first column. So we're going to start with 3 times negative 5 plus 2 times 0 plus 3 times 3. Negative 6. Now we do 3 times 0 plus 2 times negative 5 plus 3 times 3 negative 1. And then finally 3 times negative 5 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times negative 1. Negative 12. And that's the solution for A times B. So now we have to do B times A. So let's go ahead and write out B times A. So B times A is going to be, and we need to really flip these backwards. So I'm going to do that just to make it easier on us. So I'm going to write negative 5, 0, negative 5, 0, negative 5, 3, 3, 3, negative 1. And we're multiplying it times negative 3, negative 5, negative 2, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3. All right. And when we multiply these, we're going to equal a 3 by 3, and I'll write that 3 by 3 right here. Okay. I'm going to clear out our data up here. And let's start by doing negative 5 times negative 3. So row 1 times column 1. Negative 5 times 3 plus 0 times 5. So 0 times 5 plus negative 5 times 3. We get negative 30. Whoops, I made a mistake right away. If you notice in this, I was supposed to do negative 5 times negative 3, and I did negative 5 times 3. So that was my first mistake. I'm going to clear that out. Let's do this again. So I'm going to just cross this out. This is not correct. And I'm going to write equals. Make a new 3 by 3 matrix here. All right, let's do that one more time. Negative 5 times negative 3 plus 0 times 5 plus negative 5 times 3. 0. Now we're going back. Negative 5 times negative 5 plus 0 times 4 plus negative 5 times 2. Enter. 15 here in the middle. And then we're going to take negative 5 times negative 2 plus 0 times 4 plus negative 5 times 3. That's negative 5 here. And now we've taken care of row 1 here. Now we've got to go to row 2. So we start out by doing 0 times negative 3 plus 0 times negative 3, negative 5 then times 5 times 5 plus 3 times 3. That's negative 16. Come back here and we'll do 0 times negative 5 plus negative 5 times 4 plus 3 times 2. Negative 14. 0 times negative 2 plus negative 5 times 4 plus 3 times 3. Negative 11. And then finally we're on row 3, so we can get to 3 times negative 3 plus 3 times 5 plus negative 1 times 3. That's 3. Now we're going to do 3 times negative 5. 3 times negative 5 plus 3 times 4 plus negative 1 times 2, negative 5, 3 times negative 2 plus 3 times 4 plus negative 1 times 3. And 3 is the last part. So that's multiplying a 3 by 3 by a 3 by 3. It takes a little bit of time, but the calculator can definitely speed this up and save you some handwriting. So hopefully that makes sense.